Hello, welcome to the first chapter of our Introduction to Superfoods series. If you're here, it's because you're interested in taking your health to the next level. And let me tell you, you've come to the right place. In this first episode, we're going to explore the 10 superfoods you should include in your diet today. These foods are not only delicious, but they're packed with nutrients that can transform your body and mind. Ready to discover them? Here we go. Number 1. Quinoa, the grain of the gods. Quinoa is not just a fad. It is a superfood that has been consumed for thousands of years by Andean civilizations. This grain is a complete source of protein, which means it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. It is also rich in fiber, iron, and magnesium. The best part? It's incredibly versatile. You can use it in salads, bowls, or even as a substitute for rice. Number 2. Kale, the king of green leaves. If there is one vegetable that has gained worldwide fame in recent years, it is kale. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as being an excellent source of calcium and antioxidants. Kale is perfect for green smoothies, salads, or even baked as crispy chips. Your body will thank you. Number 3. Blueberries, small but powerful. These little berries are a real nutritional treasure. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and protect your body against chronic diseases. Plus, they are low in calories and high in fiber, making them the perfect snack. Number 4. Avocado, good fats for the heart. Avocado is much more than just an ingredient for guacamole. It is an incredible source of monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for heart health. It is also rich in potassium, fiber, and vitamins E and C. Add it to your tostadas, salads, or just enjoy it on its own with a little salt and lime. Number 5. Chia Seeds full of energy. Chia seeds are a nutritional bomb. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, which makes them a perfect ally to keep you full and energized throughout the day. You can add them to your smoothies, yogurts, or even make a delicious chia pudding. Number 6. Turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric not only adds vibrant color to your dishes, but is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. It's ideal for adding to soups, curries, or even in a golden latte. Your body will notice the difference. Number 7. Spirulina, the superfood of the future. This blue-green algae is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Spirulina is rich in protein, vitamins, and iron, and is known for its detoxifying properties. You can find it in powdered form and add it to your smoothies or juices. Number 8. Almonds, the perfect snack. Almonds are an excellent source of healthy fats, proteins, and vitamin E. They are ideal for keeping your energy levels stable and taking care of your skin. They are also a convenient snack that you can take with you anywhere. Number 9. Ginger, root with superpowers. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. It is perfect to add to your teas, soups, or even in natural juices. It is also a great ally to strengthen your immune system. Number 10. Cocoa, the healthy pleasure. Yes, cocoa is a superfood. Pure cocoa, not processed chocolate, is rich in antioxidants, magnesium, and iron. Plus, it contains mood-enhancing compounds such as theobromine and phenylethylamine. Add it to your smoothies or enjoy a dark chocolate with high cocoa content. Why include these superfoods in your diet? Incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet will not only help you feel better physically, but can also improve your mood, boost your energy, and protect against chronic diseases. Best of all, they're easy to find, and you can integrate them into your daily meals without hassle. In the next chapter of our series, we're going to delve into one of the most fascinating topics related to superfoods: antioxidants. You'll discover how these compounds can fight aging, protect your cells, and improve your overall health. Don't miss it. Now it's your turn. Choose at least 3 of these superfoods and start incorporating them into your diet. This week, tell me in the comments which ones are your favorites and how you are using them. See you in the next chapter. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the little bell so you don't miss any chapter of this series. See you next time.